This is Sonia Schreier Norris, Project Coordinator for Ploud at the Library of Michigan. Thank you for joining me for a short Ploud specific tutorial on the calendar feature. We're going to be using my standard demo site today, and I'm going to show you how to add a couple of different types of events to the calendar. The calendar is found under News and Events. Mine happens to be titled Calendar of Events. You can change it to read Library Calendar or simply Events as you like. The calendar shows different events with colored dots. You can drop down the dot to show exactly what the date, time, and title of the event is. To add a new event to your calendar, go to the Add New drop-down box and select Event. We're going to add a couple of family programs. The first is the Daddy-Daughter Hair Salon for young girls and their male caregivers. How to create ponytails, braids, and buns, all supplies provided. So we need to pick an event start date, and we're going to go ahead and pick December 15th. It defaults to the closest hour upon which you are entering the information, but as it turns out, we're actually going to do this program in the afternoon. We'll do it at 2 p.m. It defaults to a period of 1 hour later, but we're going to say that our program actually requires a little more time, and we're going to give it until 3:30. We now have additional fields of information that we can fill in or leave out according to our own desires. So, location of the event, we can say that this is going to be in the children's room. There's going to be a contact name, Bronwyn Egan, Children's Librarian, contact email, bronwynegan@malala.org, a contact phone number. You get the point. We're going to come back to recurrence in a later example. You can also list attendees, in other words, your audience, and then you also have space for text. This is the information that best describes what's happening at this event. We welcome you to join us for this special time to learn about children's hair care. When I come down here, I'm also going to choose a lead image for Daddy-Daughter Hair Salon. And save it. I can now see my event. Here is my lead image with my caption. For young girls and their male caregivers, how to create ponytails, braids, and buns, all supplies provided. We welcome you to join us for this special time to learn about children's hair care. When, where, contact name, that email address that I provided becomes a hyperlinked email, and a contact phone, also the ability to add it to your calendar. We also have event registration software built into Ploud. If you would like to have the ability of your patrons to register for this event, please check out the video on event registration software under Advanced Functionality at mishlibrary.org. I'm going to go ahead and publish this. Now I'm going to go back to my calendar and go to December and see that I have 2 events on December, the Friends Book Sale featuring mysteries and the Daddy-Daughter Hair Salon. Let's say that I had a number of family-oriented programs that I wanted to feature at my library. I could pull those together in a collection. I have a couple of collections already built out. Let me show you what those look like. These are taken directly from the calendar. I didn't do anything more for this page than I did for those events that you just saw me add. This is for adult winter programming, board games battle royale, Japanese bookbinding, upcycled jewelry, and learn simple magic tricks. If you're interested in creating pages like this out of events on your calendar, check out the advanced functionality video on collections at mishlibrary.org. Let's go back to our calendar now. There are a couple of other things I'd like to show you. Let's add a recurring event, for instance, for our Board of Trustees meetings. I'm going to add a new event and title it Board of Trustees Meetings, open to the public with time set aside for public comment. All are welcome. Now I am going to establish just my event start date, so the very first time that this is going to occur. And then I'm going to use another field to define all of the times after that when it is going to occur. So let's say that my Board of Trustees meetings are the third Thursday of every month. So I went into November and I picked the third Thursday, and they are at 7 p.m. We run a tight ship, so our board meetings are precisely 1 hour long. I'm going to scroll down. Once again, I have all of these fields available to me to enter the information for contact name, email, and phone number. And now we have this rather discrete hyperlink for add under recurrence. I'm going to click on add. It asks me how often I want to repeat my event. My event is going to repeat monthly, is going to repeat every month, and now it's looking at that very first entry that I made. It's asking, is it going to be on the 15th day of the month or the third Thursday of the month? It's going to be on the third Thursday of the month. Now I need to decide when it's going to end. Is it going to end after a certain number of occurrences or at a certain date? This is entirely your preference and whatever works for your library. I'm going to say that this is going to end at the end of 2019. So the third Thursday of December 2019. Now beneath that, I have an additional feature for the calendar. I can exclude certain months and add in additional dates. Let's say that both the board president and the board secretary are going to be in Jamaica on June 20th, 2019. They're going on vacation. We're going to exclude that date, but we are going to add in, I'm going to go back to June of 2018, and we're going to catch them before they go on their vacation. So we're going to catch them on Monday the 18th, and we're going to add that date. So here's my additional date. Here is my recurring dates, and here is the date that this is not going to happen. And I save this. Once again, I can add text, and if I desire, I can add a lead image. And I save this. And publish it. And now I have a list of all of my Board of Trustees meetings. As you can see, these definitely look better when you take a little more time to add an image as well as some text to your events. But I can see that very clearly my Board of Trustees meetings appear on my calendar. That concludes this video on the calendar feature for Ploud. I hope you've discovered some takeaways that you can apply to your own site. This project was made possible in part by the Institute of Museum and Library Services. Have a great day.